Hi guys, let's make this healthy salad with an ACV dressing. In a bowl, add a bunch of lettuce and roughly chop them into bite-sized chunks. Slice a cucumber into bite-sized chunks and transfer it to the lettuce bowl. Then slice your cherry tomatoes into quarters and add them to the bowl too. Slice the beetroot into small slices and transfer it to the bowl. The beetroot should be pre-cooked either by boiling them or by roasting them. Also remember that the beetroot can be staining on your hands, so you can either wear gloves or while cutting them, or you can just cut it like that. The stains will come out after a few washes. They are not hard to get out. Slice half an apple into thin slices as well and transfer it to the bowl. The apple will add some crunch to the salad. Let's make the ACV dressing. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, a dash of mustard, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground pepper to a glass jar. Then shake the jar to emulsify the salad dressing. You can taste the dressing to adjust it to your flavor. If you want a more mellow flavor, you add more oil, and if you want a more tangy flavor in your salad dressing, you add more of the vinegar. Dress your salad and mix it around. A tip here is only add the salad dressing to the salad that you're going to eat at that time. If you add to all of it and you're storing it maybe to eat at another time, the salad will get soggy. You can store the remaining salad in the fridge, and also the vinaigrette, you can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. I had this amazing salad with baked chicken thigh. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.